What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NiceDay Stair Stepper, which is a stair stepper that you can get on Amazon for like 60 bucks. It has hydraulics in it and a little sort of digital, well, I won't say really digital, it's more of like an analog digital screen here up top that basically shows you how many steps you've taken as well as the time and calories, and you can push that button to see different things, different settings. But basically it has a band that's attached to either leg or foot, if you will, the right side and the left side. And when you stand on this device, basically what you're going to do, and I'll show you, you stand on it with your right foot and left foot. And these bands, obviously there's resistance there, and you can hold the bands up at, like, let's just say a 90-degree angle like this, or you can curl further. And if you're standing fully, you're going to get more resistance the further up that you go. So you can pull up a little bit, or all like midway, like a 90-degree angle, or 80, 90 degrees, whatever, however much you want. So the further you pull up, the more the resistance. But basically what you're going to do is just stand and alternate and rock back and forth like this. Now, I'll say what I like and what I don't like about this. What I like is that these bands do give you more resistance. And like I said, the higher up you go on this, the more resistance you have, and the better the workout becomes, essentially. So I do like that aspect of it, but I will say, like, this itself, when you're using this, there's probably, I'll actually show you kind of like how far that is, but there's like I don't know, that's the degree, that's the angle. It's like a 45-degree angle in terms of the range of motion, or ROM, that you're getting. So you're not really getting a ton of range of motion. That's probably the biggest downside about this. The bands do help because you can create more resistance. Where I feel it most is in my quads. And I don't feel it a lot, to be honest, but it all depends on your level of fitness and the shape that you're in and the health that you're in. That's really what it comes down to. If you're looking to move and be active and you don't move a lot, this is a really good sort of introductory tool to get your body moving and more active again. And it's cheap. It's only 60 bucks on Amazon, and I'll put the link to this below. But I think that aspect of it is nice, and it allows you to kind of grow with the resistance pressure. But if I just do, like, I don't know, 20, 30, 40 of these, I start to feel a little bit in my quads. I was hoping I'd feel more of my glutes. I really don't, and I was hoping to feel something more in my calves, and I don't as well, because my heel has to stay pinned down to the back of this in order to, maintain my positioning and not, fall and slip and have my foot go out. I have to kind of keep my feet down. If my calf could rise, I guess I can kind of rise my calf, but the problem is when I rise my calf, then all my weight is on my opposite foot. So if I'm rising my calf, it doesn't really work. You're not contracting your calf with your body weight. You're contracting your calf airborne, which doesn't create a muscle contraction that grows that calf muscle. So you're not really working your calves. You're not really working your hamstrings. The glutes a little bit. I guess I wouldn't say that I wouldn't rule the glutes out completely. There is a slight contraction of the glutes when I'm coming back, when I'm coming down here. So there is a little bit of a glute workout, but more than anything, it's going to be your quads, your muscle right above your knees. And, like I said, the more up you pull on these resistance bands, the higher you go. Like for me, I can hold them up here, and I stand all the way, and I'm literally standing, holding them up to my shoulders, by the way, but I'm just standing and doing that. And then I'm doing this. Okay, I feel a little bit more now. I can feel the burn a bit more. So if you're looking for a little bit of a higher level, just pull the bands higher, go further up with those bands, and you're going to get more resistance, and you're going to get a better workout. But, the upsides are this thing is cheap. It's very space conscious. It's space friendly. You can put it in the corner like it is over here in the house. And that's nice. But at the same time, I really only feel kind of my quads working. I don't feel my hamstrings or glutes all that much. Your calves can't really get a workout because whenever your foot goes down, all the weight is on it, and that calf contraction doesn't fire those muscles and create resistance into those calf muscles. But you're going to get a little slight quad workout. So, it's better than nothing, and it's a really good starter fitness, device if you are looking to become more fit and kind of get back into the movement of things. But if you're kind of more athletic and you're looking for a good workout or a great workout, I probably wouldn't recommend the NiceDay. I think it's called NiceDay or Nice. Sorry, I wouldn't recommend the NiceDay Stair Stepper because you're just not going to get that much workout from that. I would recommend if you're really looking to get a really good full body workout in your legs and in your glutes and in your whole lower body, I would recommend rebounding or a vibration plate over this. Those are much pricier options. This is very cheap, so if you're getting started, this is great. But if you're more advanced or you're more serious about getting fit and getting back into shape, I would recommend a rebounder or a vibration plate because you're just going to get the most full lower body leg workout, quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, all of it, and that's very important because you want to build all of those muscles. So with that being said, this is cool for $60, but I wouldn't recommend it if you're in good shape or great shape because it's really not going to do much for you. But if you're looking to get back into shape, or maybe you have a couple extra pounds, or are overweight with extra fat, this will help you kind of start to burn some of those calories and get back into the swing of things. So anyways, check out the link on Amazon below. I'll link it up right below in this video in the comment section. And then I'll also link up the videos to rebounders so you can learn more about rebounders, and then the video to a vibration plate so you can learn more about those as well. If you want to see more health and wellness reviews, subscribe to the channel here at WellStar Product Reviews. Follow my health and wellness education channel, Healthy Wild Free. And if you want to see 20 to 30 different health and wellness brands that I've personally vetted, and a bunch of them have discount codes and free shipping and special offers, visit the link below, healthywildfree.com/shop, and that page will give you a bunch of different health and wellness brands that I have vetted for quality as a health coach. These are brands that I recommend to my clients, and you're going to get special discounts just for visiting that page. So check all that out below in the comment section, in the pinned comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.